Oh, I'm gonna slap you so hard.
Anyway, yeah, it's what, almost 10 o'clock. I'm going to Dennys, hang out with a friend, my best friend actually. Yeah, it's still, this is literally a day or two later since I recorded that last video, that I'm gonna put these two videos together and upload it and edit it, obviously. But I love this GoPro. This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I bought the GoPro mic adapter and the Blue Yeti mic with it. Ooh, I might want to race that guy. And it sounds really good. The problem I was having with my DJI Osmo's camera is that when I did buy their adapter, it was not fucking working at all. Sorry, it was not working at all to pick up my voice and have any sort of audio in the video. So yeah, I bought the GoPro. It costed a little more money. I don't mind as long as it fucking works. But yeah, let's just go race around. I hope I catch some really interesting, maybe a street race or two on the way to Dennys. But yeah, that is the tea about my camera. DJI Osmo is a no-go for me. I've tried so many different ways, and yeah, that's the tea. I don't know what else to update you guys on. My YouTube channel is gonna be primarily motorcycle related content and other shit like that. I do plan on doing a lot of like small little videos, like how to, you know, begin riding a motorcycle and all these little tips. But I want to have this channel mostly just vlogging, and you guys see the crazy shit that goes on, at least here in California, Sacramento. But yeah, just a moto-vlogging channel. I am riding a R3, 2019 Yamaha R3. It's nothing special. It is not fast. It's a lot of fun, not gonna lie. For a very first bike, it's a lot of fucking fun. It is a lot of fun. Just something to get, whoa, unfucking believable. That's the crazy shit that goes on here. Fucking learn, use your fucking signal properly. Ah! I can't even talk. Fuck. Oh my god. Woo! Alright. Well, now that I'm awake at 10 o'clock p.m., fuck me, that got the adrenaline going. Jesus Christ. Horrible driving here in California, 101. Hey! That woke me up as well. Train horn on his truck. Fuck yeah. Oh my god. Jesus. That was fucking funny. That is so going to be in the video. Literally gets hit by a car, almost. And then, this is actually my first... Oh, that's a Mustang. That's a shit Sting! It's a shit Sting! I'm kidding. I love Mustangs. No haters. No haters here on this channel. Let's go. Let's go, Honda. Let's go. No cops, I hope not. 40. We're speeding already, boys! We're doing it! Don't speed. We definitely follow laws here, and please don't break any laws, please. We're not speeding. Definitely not speeding. Definitely. Hey. Hey! American flag, boys! I hope I didn't scare her or anything. It's just American flag. America, boys! America! Hey! Sorry, I get a little hyper when I'm on the motorcycle and I see other bikers. Yeah. So, what's up, you guys? I don't know if I'll make this into its own YouTube video. Just me going on a casual ride to see my friend at Dennys. Or if I just add on and make it like a good long video with the other video. Me doing a test mic. I can't talk or make sense today, huh? This is interesting. Not that it's new or anything, but it's interesting, you know? Please stay in your fucking lane. Thank you. Alright, so no cops yet. We're Gucci. Dude, today's been so fucking hot. Literally, the hottest it got today was 112 degrees outside. 112 degrees. Here in California. During a heat wave, of course, but like, bruh. You know? That was absolute shit, but I couldn't ride the whole day. So here we are, going out at 10 p.m. Okay. Fuck. I should go over to the other side. I hate people who do that shit. Like, you know you fucking saw me. Fucking move over! Ah! Move over, bitch! Fuck. Sorry, I don't mean to be yelling. It's just, yeah. I hate drivers here in fucking Sacramento. I don't know about the rest of the fucking world, but here in Sacramento, you motherfuckers need to learn to drive. Stop cutting your fucking license out of a fucking cereal box. Like, for fuck's sake. Stop being a little bitch. Don't. Oh, never mind. You're turning the other way. Where are you? Oh, never mind. What is she fucking looking for? What the hell? Oh my god. It's nice. It's much colder over here. Much colder. Much colder. I don't mean like it's cold. I just mean it's colder. Anyway, I don't know if the rest, whatever the fuck is going to be in the video. But it's probably not going to be this whole ride. Definitely that fucking guy almost running me off the road in that amazing train horn. But yeah. Yeah. Other than the occasional fuck I almost died and running a red light casually. It's nice having a motorcycle, you know? Really nice. Anyway, let's stop talking and just drive. Haha! I think that was a cop. No sirens yet. Nothing yet. We're right next to the highway. If we need to run, do not run. Do not run. Y'all, if you're watching this video, do not run. Like I said, we follow laws around here. Do not run. But like, you know. Yeah, anyway, we're almost here. I'm going to Dennys. Literally like a minute maybe away. 30 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Yeah, and that's the Dennys. That is the Dennys. I hope they're fucking open. They're gonna go right over here. I know we probably shouldn't be doing this because this is a dining area, but like, fuck you, you know? Me and rules don't really go along. But my friend's gonna be here soon, so okay. Soon, I hope. Swear to God, if that bitch don't show up, I'm gonna stab him. Anyway, I'll be back with you guys once we're done eating. Peace.